Hello and welcome to this walkthrough where we'll explore an extensive Python application from the top down. Let's dive right into the code. The script begins with importing a range of libraries necessary for its functionality. It uses built-ins like OSs and subprocess for file system operations and command execution, and also includes third-party libraries like dotenv variant variables and OpenAI for interacting with the OpenAI API. We then initialize logging for debugging, which will help us track events during the script's execution. The logging is set to the DEBUG level for verbose output. A set of functions follows that retrieve API keys from the environment. These keys are crucial for authenticating and accessing various third-party services, like Eleven Labs and OpenAI. Next, we have some constants. These include a list of built-in voices available through Inworld's API. This list can be used to configure voice options for text-to-speech operations within the application. The script then sets up a Flask web application. Flask is a lightweight web framework for Python, used here to serve HTTP requests. This configuration includes creating directories and a history file for storing processed data. Functions load_history and save_history manage reading and writing to a JSON file that records application history, such as previously synthesized text. We then encounter a couple of functions that interface with Inworld's voice API. One lists available voices, while another retrieves voice details directly from the API. There's also functionality for rendering text and code on images. This includes wrapping long lines and managing colors for different types of text, all crucial for displaying information cleanly on the screen. Let's take a look at some Flask routes now. The root route renders the index page, which makes a call to list available voices and grab relevant API keys, setting up context for rendering the HTML template. The /synthesize route handles post requests to transform text into speech. Depending on the chosen text-to-speech engine, either locally using macOS's built-in say command or online through the Inworld or Eleven Labs APIs, it orchestrates capturing audio output and preparing it for playback. Moving forward, we have a number of functions that utilize external APIs. For instance, functions for generating AI-based responses, creating synthetic audio files, and rendering videos combining both audio and visual data. Towards the end, there are routes dedicated to conversation and content generation. These include Ask A, which uses AI to answer questions, and Summarize URL, which fetches content from URLs, strips unnecessary tags using Beautiful Soup, and summarizes the text via an AI call. The application concludes with a main function that starts the Flask app on a specified host and port. In essence, this script is a robust application that integrates various AI, text, and image processing capabilities, all driven via an interactive web interface backed by Flask. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.